Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we'll be showing you how us busy full-time YouTube creators meal prep for the week. And you guys, we will be celebrating. One of us made 100,000 subscribers, and we got that silver plaque. We'll also be celebrating the birthday, so you guys join us today. On that note, I would like to say a quick prayer. By him, let us continually offer the sacrifices praise to God. That is the fruit of our lips, giving thanks to his name. But do not forget to do good and to share, for with such sacrifices, God is well pleased. All right, you guys, this is my meal prep stuff for the week. I am getting ready to meal prep. I have some food storage containers. And I also have some of these types and some lunch containers, because we're going to make 30 meals, but we have 30 containers. We have some sweet potatoes. We have some russet potatoes. These are the russet potatoes. We have some brown rice. We have some chicken stock. I'm going to come around here so y'all can kind of see the stuff that we have. I'm going to be making some rigatoni for the week. This at least lasts 2 days. Have some chicken broth. A couple of dishes going to have the white rice. This is white jasmine rice. And I bought some lettuce. I also bought some beef smoked sausage, because we're going to be having cabbage. Let me get the cabbage. We're going to be having some sausage and cabbage. And then we're going to have some of this sausage for breakfast to go with the boiled eggs. I bought some eggs. I bought some onions. I got some carrots. I bought some lentils, the lentil beans, and let me see. Oh yeah, some cucumbers. And these are the cabbages, some rigatoni. And I'm going to be using my homemade pasta sauce. I have some lettuce and more onions that I purchased. And I have some black beans, some red kidney beans, some chickpeas, and some pinto beans. And y'all, I am going to meal prep this stuff. I'm going to cook the food up, and this is for 7 days. I'm going to cook the food up, and I'm container it up, and I'm gonna also prep some food so I can just put in the crock pot when I need it. So yeah, these are the spices and stuff that I pulled, because I'm getting ready to meal prep that I'll be using. I'll be making a little bit of jerk chicken, and I'm using up the rest of the cilantro. This is some fish marsala, but I like it on chicken. And I have some garlic powder and some lemon and pepper chicken, and we're gonna be making salads. And I also already made, with potatoes and carrots, the lentil. You guys, we have started preparing the food. I'm cutting up the carrots. You guys, in my household, it's 3 of us are YouTube creators, and we are all full time. Each of us have our own separate channels, and each of us do our own separate work. So, for the week, all the time, we don't have time to cook meals. So I found it really, really convenient to meal prep for the week and sometime freeze the food. So on those days when we're out filming or vlogging for our videos, which is a fun thing, by the way, we have something to eat that's very, very good and tasty. And you guys, we also save money by meal prepping, because when we go out vlogging our videos, you guys, because I'm a food blogger, I cook on my channel and I share my life. And my son, he's usually stuck to his desk. He's a animation creator. And my husband and I, when we go out and do our separate blogs and we cook, you guys, we surrounded by food. So we always spend a lot of money eating out, even though we have all this wonderful food at home. And I used to cook almost every day. But now, you guys, We just meal prepping. I'm going to show y'all what we're having. We're making several meals today for the week. And Daniel, one of our other YouTube creators, my son, he will be in the kitchen with me. Look at Daniel go, y'all. So I'm going to leave all our recipes in the link below if you're interested. And if you like our meal prep video, comment down below and tell me what you cooking and if you try meal prepping. Rice and cabbage. This is the curry chicken that we made. Good old curry chicken. Good, y'all. Meal prepping. Stuff frying some chicken breasts. And I'm over here cooking a little bit of red beans. You guys, we got the eggs boiling for the morning. We'll have like on the go, we'll have like some eggs and sausage. These are boiled eggs. And Daniel's over there stir frying the chicken. We're going to make some, also some dinners with some bourbon chicken and rice. And you guys, we already made the sausage and cabbage, and we're going to make red beans and rice. And these are just some of the meals that we have in this week. I have already did my little salad preps and they're in the refrigerator. But you guys, for 3 people, it seems like it's a lot of food. But you guys, you got to think, we eat 7 days a week. So we always have something to do because, you know, the spring is coming up. We're outside working, you know, we doing our different little blogs and stuff. And so we're working, y'all. I am going to make sure y'all get these recipes because this is really good, the bourbon chicken that he's making. And also, you guys, I am teaching Daniel how to cook. And he's loving it, you guys. But I will leave the red beans and rice, the curry chicken, and the bourbon chicken recipes in the link below. And if you haven't already seen, you can catch my cabbage and sausage videos where we stir fry the cabbage and have the sausage. Guys, these are meal preps so far. We're still prepping. We have the chicken fajita, we have the curry chickens, and we have the red beans and rice. We made the red beans with the rice sauce and everything on the side. So yeah, still working it out. We're over there working it out, y'all. Look at Daniel. This Daniel's plate. This Daniel plate. Daniel, we fried up some chicken. Look at that. Spicy chicken. Yep. And we got some fruits we gotta process and gotta finish processing our foods. But y'all, we just taking a quick little break and we're gonna finish processing our food and we're gonna clean up the kitchen. Yep. So yeah, That's what we doing. And today, what we have, and I just made a couple of fries, and we got some salad. And I made this chicken for chicken sandwiches. Just came in, y'all. Look at that. Dan, you a famous chef.
Yeah.
Look at the famous chef, y'all. Look at the famous chef.
They call me Daniel.
Bam!
Ooh,
Y'all, he got it. Look at the famous chef.
Okay.
He got this YouTube.
That
Look.
just came in?
Yeah, I opened it.
Okay.
Look, y'all. 1,000 subscribers. Look at all that.
That's 100,000.
100,000 subscribers. Look at Daniel. How you feel, Daniel?
I feel good. I feel good.
I had to pick y'all up. Y'all, we finna miss the whole birthday. My daughter's birthday is today. And 37, you guys. Look how 37 looks. Isn't that beautiful? And look at my grandbaby. These my people, y'all. So we're gonna sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. To you. Happy birthday to you. To you.
Happy birthday, dear Jordan. Happy birthday
To you. Woo! All right.
Made my wish. Yep.
Do we clink glasses?
Y'all, we're having a champagne toast this morning of mimosas.
That was nice.
And we want to say happy 37th birthday, daughter.
Happy birthday.
And we'll pick y'all up later.
Toast, happy birthday. All right, Daniel, you gotta edit the video.
I want to thank y'all for watching our video and sharing memories with me and my family. If you made it this far, you're part of the family, so you might as well subscribe. You're going to like everything you see. And you can like, share, and subscribe. And we thank y'all for watching. See you in the next one.